Greeting fellow Internauts, Handsome Hero Piscator here, and today I wanted to talk to you about intelligence. This is 2014, and what does that mean? It's 15 years before 2029. So, you're probably asking yourself, 2029, what does that have to do with the price of tea in China? According to futurist Ray Kurzweil, 2029 is the approximate year in which affordable home computers will be capable of running average human-level intelligence. But what exactly does that mean? What does it mean to have a computer that is as intelligent as an average human? Well, let's break it down a little bit. There are two different types of intelligence on this planet: pattern recognition and information processing. Now, humans are only really good at one of these things, and that's pattern recognition. Our brains are capable of extrapolating useful information out of data in such a complex way that we don't even fully understand it yet. Like, literally, if you were to sit down all the best geneticists and neurologists in the world and ask them how you take a genome and turn it into a human cerebral system, they'd have no idea. I mean, you can point to neurons and you can point to proteins and such, but in the end, we don't really get it. Hence why it's going to be 15 years until we have human-level intelligent computers. Now, computers do have one big advantage over the human brain, and that is information processing. If you were to exclude the fact that our brain is massively paralleled, even today's current processors can actually process information faster than neurons can. Now, given Moore's law, we're going to see processors that are actually faster than human brains in the early 2020s. So you're probably asking yourself, why aren't we going to have human-level intelligences by then? Well, here's the tricky part. Even though we're going to have processors that can process the information as fast as a human brain can, we still won't have the complex pattern recognition system down yet. I mean, we have projects like the Connectome project in the works already, but really what we need is high-resolution scanning technology and like nano-measurement tools that really just don't even exist yet. Once we can start doing real-time, high-resolution scans of neurons in living brains, we can start to deconstruct all of the different aspects of neurons that make them capable of doing all of the amazing things that they can do. Once we have that all figured out, we can start reverse engineering it and putting it into our own computer systems. That's right, we are going to start building our own better brains. So what exactly does that mean for human intelligence? Well, really, it's still human intelligence. Really what we're going to end up doing is needing to redefine what it means to be human. Or really, what it means to be us. What we are. Ultimately, change is hard. I mean, that's one of the really good things about having pattern recognition in our brain, and that is we can start expecting what the future is going to hold. And we want it to be the same thing every time. We don't want it to change. We want to be able to predict what the world is going to be all the time. But the world is changing, and it's going to keep changing, and it's going to keep changing faster. And we're going to have to change along with it. We're going to have to be more than what we are, and just learn to be better, to be more intelligent.